praboro. Kopogore gi mano, duol makedo gi mibadhi EACC wacho ni atamalo praboro mago mag ripode mag mibadhi gin mamulo apisas machiwo rak kata tenda. Kauloso e romo mar jokanyo e sekta mar chiwo orage, jalub jata tije ka EACC Abdul Mohamud okwedo paro mar timo lokruok ne pende chik matayo kaka winjore ka okang' mano mar chik ne jotim mibadhi e pachoka.
I think within probably 2 weeks or 3 weeks we shall have the first file ready, and but we don't want to go into the details of who is involved and what is involved, and we are basically looking at detailed investigations when it comes to CI, both in the previous administration and in the current administration.
Saying says prevention is better than cure. Therefore, once we've understood what do investigators look for in this when they come to investigate procurement-related issues, then we're able to be more aligned, more engaged, but more importantly, be sensitive to those pitfalls that can befall our members during that process. Essentially, it's also part and parcel of saying, how can we ensure that the people that are involved in any part of that process, we call it supply chain for a reason. It's not just procurement. Supply chain is a holistic view about where the process starts, end-to-end view of supply chain, so that accountability is put at the right places in the supply chain, not just at procurement people.